Hi everyone, welcome back to my tantalizing bites. Today we are making fruit chaat. This is a sweet and savory fruit salad that is absolutely delicious. But before we get started, let's go and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can always stay updated on my latest videos. You can use any kind of fruit that you like. I will be using 2 clementines that I will separate the segments from. I have 2 handfuls of grapes. I have 1 red delicious apple, and you can use any kind of apple that you like. I have a handful of raspberries. I have a few strawberries right here. I will be using 2 bananas, and I have a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. And I have 1 cup of garbanzo beans that are from a can. I have rinsed them and drained them. And finally, I have 1/2 cup of pomegranate. We are just gonna chop everything up. I have diced my apple. I did not remove the skin, but you can remove it if you'd like to. I left the raspberries as is. They're already small enough, so I didn't need to cut them. And I have sliced up my banana like this. I have cut the grapes in half, and I have separated the segments from my little oranges. I've diced up my strawberries. Now we will dump everything into a big mixing bowl. I'm going to reserve just a little bit of the pomegranate for garnishing. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and remember that you can use as little or as much sugar as you'd like. You can even omit this completely. We're going to add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon each of chaat masala and black pepper. Now let's give this a quick mix. And I forgot to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to this. This actually helps keep the colors of the fruits fresh and nice, and it also gives a delicious tang to the fruit chaat. Now this is exactly how I love my fruit chaat. For me, this chaat is ready now. I do not like to add anything more to this. But for my husband, he likes it with a few extra ingredients, so I'm going to plate this up for him. We're going to start by putting some of the fruit chaat into our bowl. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of whisked plain yogurt on this. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top. Let's drizzle a tablespoon of tamarind chutney on top of this, and the recipe for the chutney is located in my description box. We're going to garnish with some pomegranate. I'm just going to add a little more fruit chaat on the sides, and then I'm going to top it off with some nuts. I am just going to add a sprig of mint for a nice pop of color. And there you go. How easy and delicious this fruit chaat is to make. Look how beautiful it looks. The chaat masala and the black pepper give it a warm, spicy, savory flavor, and the sweetness of the fruits, the tang of the lemon and orange juice just comes together so fabulously in this dish. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to leave me some feedback, and I will be back very soon with some more easy and delicious recipes. Bye!